Alright guys, what's going on? It's pretty dark out here, but this is the only time I can put my wheels and tires. I know I said I was going to do it after the paint job, but I got to get it done. Got my jack stand right here. I only have two, but it'll be enough to get the job done. I literally have to walk it all the way across my apartment complex to an empty parking lot in the back because there's no space here. I don't have a garage. I don't really have anything. And this is kind of heavy. And the lighting is not very good, but I just got to make do. I mean, this camera, they said it does good in low light, so, and I know my last video was super grainy, so I had to fix that. Hopefully this one will be better. But yeah, I just got out of school and I've been wanting to do this for weeks now, so I was just like, let me get it done. So yeah, I'm walking it over. I gotta walk two jack stands, the jack, 4 wheels, and yeah, that's it. It's gonna be a lot of walking back and forth. So I'm gonna go ahead and walk everything over, and then I'll start the video off with what I'm gonna do or how I'm gonna replace these tires. So let's go ahead and just jump to it once everything's over here next to the car. Okay, what's going on guys? So I got everything out here. We got the jack stand, the jacks, got the rubber thing so your wheels won't move. Got the torque wrench and that thing. I really need to learn the terminology. And then I got the wheels and tires right here. I'm only gonna film me do this one right here because the process is pretty much gonna be the same. I'm gonna go ahead and jack it up. There's 2 jack points, one in the front and then one in the back. And then I put the jack stands, one up here in the front and the other one on the other side. If you have 4, you can lift up the whole thing if you want. But I'm pretty much gonna go ahead and set you guys down and just get started with it. Also, I have these things right here, and then there's also those things right here. I read it's for vibration because these aren't meant for the car, I guess. So got those as well. They're like the hub something rings or something like that. And yeah, so I'll go ahead and get you guys set down and we'll start a time lapse, and I'll show you where the jack points are and everything in a second. So let's get to it. First things first, I'm gonna go ahead and put these blocks in here right here so the car does not move when I jack it up. So those are in there good. Word of advice, loosen the bolts or nuts or whatever these are before you lift it up. Now that we got those loose, now we can jack it up. Let's do it. All right, if you want to take a look underneath, this is where I have it jacked up, and I'm putting the jacks underneath these frames over here. So one there and one right here. And then I'm gonna slowly lower it down. And there you have it. So it took me a little bit. I was trying to do it on the side, but obviously that's not gonna work. You gotta do it on the frames over here, and I'm leaving that there just in case. So now I'm gonna actually go ahead and work on the tire. about to be nice. Take a look. Oh yeah, that's clean. All right guys, well, it's pretty much the gist of it. I'm gonna go ahead and stop it right now, and then I'll be back in the morning to show you the before and after. So, all right, let's cut to it. All right guys, it's a new day. Finished up the tires last night. It took me about an hour and a half, 2 hours. Ran into a few issues, but got it done. So let me go ahead and show you what the new wheels and tires look like. It's clean. Here it is. Look at that. That's so nice. Quick note though, when you're tightening these up, you need to use the torque wrench and set it to 80 foot-pounds. And yeah, that's it. Got the secure lock right here, and we got it done. So that's it. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you think of the new wheels and tires, and I look forward to the next one, which should be fixing this paint. So until next time, peace.